Good evening, everyone. This is Lynn from Pepper Peas. Tonight I am on with hashtag Flip Through Friday. You guys know I love Flip Through Fridays. This hashtag Flip Through Friday is being hosted by Gwen the Trash Witch. Naturally, I'm going to leave her information linked in the description. Also, in the corner, you should see our winner from last week, Miss Ada Martinez. She won the Project Life Kit, the Hobby Lobby paper kit, wintergreen 6x6 paper pad, along with stickers. Now, here is a little caveat that I have to add to the giveaways. Our winner from last week that I just announced has up until next Sunday to claim the prize. If she does not claim the prize by next Sunday, it will move forward to the next week's winner. That will be of whatever I am giving away this evening. That being said, during my first giveaway, I gave away 2 paper pads. In the event that someone from that giveaway does not claim their prize by this Sunday, that means Ms. Martinez will receive a pad along with her prize once she claims her prize. Okay? All right, everybody. Now, why am I doing this for anyone that's new to the channel or just seeing this? July is my birthday month. Also, it's Christmas in July. I am in the mood to just spread joy and give back. So, that is what I am doing in terms of hashtag Christmas in July and me being born this month. Okay? All right, let's get started. Tonight, I am covering Mistletoe Lodge. Once again, because it's Christmas in July, during this month, I am going to be covering Christmas-themed paper pads. Either a paper pad or a scrapbook kit or something. It's going to be Christmas-themed for the month of July, okay? This is a paper pad that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. It is now, or has been now, on sale for, I think, about $3.49. In this particular pad, it's 60 sheets, 20 designs, 3 sheets each, okay? It is not the heavy paper, but it's not thin either, okay? So, here is a common pattern. What I want you to see about this is it has like this linen texture on top of this paper. This is a staple. This is good. It goes along with a lot of things. We have our wooden snowflakes. Reason I say wooden is because of these little wooden tracks right here. And once again, this paper has some sort of texture. Can you see it? I think it's nice. It's cool. Here we go. We got cozy. Have a cozy Christmas. I hope that every person this year that celebrates Christmas or whatever holiday it is you celebrate around the dates of Christmas time, I hope it's cozy for you. I think this is cute. This page seems to be a little repetitious. And the reason I say that is because even in wintergreen, what I have noticed with this particular tree schematic, it's either white and green or green and white or this. So this, I think this is a signature page. I don't know for certain. I think this is a signature page in Hobby Lobby's Paper Studio Christmas items. Here's a page of hollies. This is cute. Very cute. But what I noticed too is, okay, let me go back. This is Mistletoe Lodge. Lodge. Okay, I got it. Okay, Lodge. So that's why I'm seeing all these little Lodge pieces in here. Forgive me. Duh, on me. Okay, so we got the sleigh. Cute. Really cute. Here we go. The black and white. This is really nice when it's used for like Christmas journals and traveling journals. I think this is a really nice pattern. I really do. Okay, I think this is it. Okay, correct me if I'm wrong, somebody. Mistletoe? I think this is mistletoe, okay? What has me in awe about this particular paper pad is it's got this texture on it. And if you have it, let me know, okay? You'll know what I'm talking about. Here is a little distressed. Look at this. It's the distressed look of this. I like it. I like it. I got my pajamas already ready for Christmas, and they're in this little check. But I think I'm gonna give me something else too now, okay? But we're wearing this year. Look at the reindeer. Look at the reindeer. I didn't notice it, or I didn't pay attention to it, but I see where some of the reindeer have a red scarf, some of them don't. Either way, it's still cute. It's cute. Look at this. There is something about gold around Christmas. I don't know if this is intended to be sparkles or lights or what, but it's nice. When I see stuff like this, automatically, I'm thinking about the holidays. Automatically. Okay, so we've got, I'm going to assume this is the wood timbers here. Okay, the woods. This is cute. This is really cute. All of this, you have to admit, is truly in alignment with being in a travel lodge during the holidays, right? Now, this is nice. Look at this. This little bird, I just love it. I do. This is, I hate to say it, you know, I don't want to say it like this, but it's like this is the Christmas bird, you know? Is this not adorable? Okay. Again, we have this. To me, once again, when I look at a majority of the pattern in this book, I think travel journal, I think holiday journal, I think about a journal for a gentleman, more, to be honest with you. That's what I think about. Is this supposed to be, I don't know, is this what they use when they're in the forest and they're riding on it, like a sleigh, like a little ride thing? I could be wrong, let me know. But I've seen, when I've looked at certain shows, and I've seen several movies, and like in Alaska where I've seen, and I know, now once again, before I say this, I know that everything has evolved. But when I was growing up, I used to see like, maybe it were like in Alaska, where people were riding this a little bit, like a sleigh ride, or they were carrying things on it. And if I'm wrong, let me know, okay? Kindly let me know I'm wrong. Kindly. Okay? Because I just don't know, all right? Pine cones. Goes along in my mind still with what? Wintergreen. This is pretty, though. This is nice. This is pretty. Once again, to me, once again, when I look at this pattern, and I look at this particular scrapbook pad, I think about men. I think about from a gentleman perspective more than anything. I really do. This is nice. It's nice. Pretty background paper. Now, this is holly, right? I get them confused, so you have to help. Yes, it's holly because it has the berries on it. And people, please don't be under the assumption that, oh, well, she knows. I'm human. I couldn't even think about mistletoe one day until one of my wonderful subscribers told me. I really couldn't. You know, I'm human, right? So, okay, that's the end of our pad. So if you ask me, I really see this particular pad, this mistletoe lodge pad, I see this more for like gentlemen, background, journals. This is what I see this is. I don't see, just me now, I don't see these as being like your forefront pages. I see this as being more so like the background pages, okay? Now, for the paper kit that I'm going to cover, it's going to be naturally from Hobby Lobby. This week it is going to be the 12 days of Christmas, okay? It's got 10 sheets, 10 12 by 12s, right? It's got stickers and it's got ephemera. And I'm going to cover these, okay? I had to kind of get my bearings. I was like, wait a minute, what am I looking at? I had to grab my glasses. Truthfully, I had to grab my glasses. So, I chose this particular kit because it aligned with the patterns in this kit. See? When I saw this, I was like, okay, I know which one I'm going to cover, okay? So, in this particular kit, we've got these beautiful stickers. Here they are. All of these. These are nice. These are very nice. Then we've got, hold on. This is chipboard. Okay? So you got the 12 days of Christmas in chipboard. I like this. Wow. Oh, I like that. Cute. And I'm going to go ahead now and pull out the ephemera. I see some frames in here. But I had honestly forgotten that I had turned my alarm on. Then I got a call from the home alarm company. I was like, oh my goodness. I was like mortified. Because I didn't want them to send the law enforcement out to my home because I forgot to turn the alarm off to go outside to pick out the pieces that I wanted. So here's a nice little red frame. Merry Christmas. Here are some tags. Cute. Here are some more pieces. These are cute. Very nice tag. Cute gift box. More holly. Very cute. These are cute. I like these. These are nice. Very, very nice. Okay. Oh, look at these little Christmas ornaments. These are adorable. Let me move my fingers out of the way. These are adorable. Very nice. Gingerbread house. Oh, wow. Gingerbread man. I used to love gingerbread cookies during the holidays. I really did. Because my sons are now adults, I don't really like do a lot of gingerbread cookies and things like that. And my grandchildren are not, you know, gingerbread children. I hate to say it like that, but they're more, you know, they're more into the video games and the when is it done as opposed to let's have some gingerbread cookies. You know, their interest is not in baking, and I'm okay with that. Not at all. When I tell you not at all, I mean not at all. They want to work, you know, watch certain shows, but they don't want to, the kitchen, It's like, Grandmama, just call me when it's finished, please. And I'm like, oh, wow, okay. Okay. Can't blame them. You know, they're little people. Can't blame them. And here's another frame, okay? I'm going to put these back in the package really quick. And then I'm going to cover the sheets. Very nice. It's got some foil on it. It's got foil on it. Page. Okay. This is Merry Christmas. It's a nice page. This has always been like a really nice page to me. And then this page. This reminds me, and I think it is, it's in wintergreen, okay? So, I'm going to put this back together, and I'm sure you're wondering, okay, well, what is going to be in the giveaway? Well, I'm about to show you. Just hold on. Just hold your horses. Hold your horses just a second. All right. Now, for this week's giveaway, naturally, yes, it is going to be this kit. But at the same time, I am going to include a sheet of Vicki Boutin's Warm Wishes. This is so pretty. I am going to include this Recollections sheet. And I am going to include an actual wintergreen scrapbook. Okay, that's one of the 6x6s. Hold on one second. It's going to be and I'm going to include this. Okay, now the reason I am including this is because I think that this would serve better than Travel Lodge. Okay, because this has a little more decorative capabilities, and Travel Lodge, in my opinion, serves more as background. Okay, now here's the beauty of this. We hope Miss Martinez claims her prize, but if she doesn't, whoever wins this is going to get this and her prize. I hate to say it like that, but it's true. Now if Miss Martinez, with her wonderful self, claims her prize, she's going to get her prize plus maybe a scrapbook from the former giveaway. But I won't know until this coming up Sunday. Okay? If no one claims their prizes, whoever wins this is going to get this. You'll get one wintergreen as opposed to two. One wintergreen, which will be whatever was from last week. Okay? Everyone, I know it sounds a little cumbersome, but it's fun. And you think about it, you can't do it. For me, it's just the fun of it all, okay? So, everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into Paper Peas. If you would subscribe, like, share, comment, come back and see me again. Have fun with me as we do hashtag Flip Through Friday, which is being hosted by Gwen the Trash Witch. Enter these giveaways so that you can win something. Oh, and by the way, what is the word that you need to use to win? It's going to be Vicky. Take care.